16. Birds, beaks and claws. Let's learn about beaks. Beaks, multi-purpose tools. Feet and claws. Hi Radhika, do you know the birds do not have teeth? Then how do they eat their food? Yes Mihika, their beaks help them eat food and hold things. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They have a beak. The beaks are also called bills. A bird uses its beak to feed itself, thus, the beak of a bird that eats nuts differs from the beak of a bird that eats flesh. Let us see the table given below that tells about the different types of beaks and their uses. Beak shape. Picture. Type and use. Birds. Hooked. Strong, sharp and hooked beak bites and tears the prey into small pieces. Owls, eagles, vultures, hawks. Pear-shaped. Long, sharp and pointed beak helps to spear fish. Kingfishers, herons. Strainer. Strong and flat beak with strainers all along the edges allows water and mud to go out through it. Ducks, swans. Chisel-shaped. Long and slender beak tapering at the tip helps to make holes and catch insects in the tree trunk. Woodpeckers. Tweezer-shaped. Long and thin beak helps to pull out insects from holes in the ground. Hoops. Warblers. Cracks. Short, thick and conical beak helps to break and crush seeds. Sparrows. Peacock. Probe. Long and slender straw-like beak helps to suck nectar from flowers. Hummingbirds. Beaks. Multi-purpose tools. Birds use their beaks to do many things. To pick grains, tear flesh, bite and feeding their young ones. To clean and smoothen their feathers. This is called preening. To make nests, birds carry materials like grass, twigs and leaves in their beak. They use these materials to make a nest using their beak as a tool. To feed their young ones. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet. They have claws on their feet. Claws help the birds to catch their food, perch on branches, and to move around. They have feet according to the environment they live in and the food they eat. Let us see the table given below. Claw shape. Picture. Type and use. Birds. Wedding. The legs are long with toes that are spread out to help them walk easily in shallow water without sinking. Cranes. Storks. Herons. Grasping. The feet have large curved claws called talons to catch, kill and carry prey. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 behind. Eagles, hawks, owls. Swimming. The feet are webbed. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. The feet work as oars while swimming. Ducks, swans. Scratching. The claws are strong with 3 toes in the front and a short hind toe higher up the leg. They help to scratch the ground to find food. hens, pheasants. Perching. There are three toes in the front and one behind which curls around the branch to hold it firmly. It enables the bird to sleep even while perching. Crows, robins, sparrows. Climbing. There are two toes in the front and two behind, enabling the bird to climb up, down, and sideways on tree trunks. Woodpeckers, parrots. Running. Fast running birds have two toes instead of four. They have very strong legs to run fast. Ostriches. Brush up. All birds have beaks and claws. Beaks are used for getting food, defense, gathering nesting materials, and attacking. Claws help to catch food, perch, and move around. Life skills. You can protect birds and provide them a friendly environment by keeping dogs on leash while taking them for a walk. Keeping lakes and rivers clean when you go for a picnic. Minimizing the use of pesticides in your garden. Maintaining silence and respecting the fauna while hiking or camping. Enjoying birds from a distance. Do not get close to them.